This is the VersionTech 2-slice toaster model CT-835. Let's take it out of the box. Here it is, shiny plastic, stainless steel top. Over on the side here, of course, is what you press down to put the toast down inside. And you have a dial here that goes from pretty much 0 on up to 7. Infinitely adjustable anywhere you want. I like it about 2.5 or so. When you go and toast stuff, you have a few options as well. You press down the lever over here, and if you want to stop it early, you just press the cancel button and that'll stop it. If you have frozen bread, you can put that in and press the defrost button. What that'll do is it'll extend the period that it's in the toaster. So it'll defrost it first, and then it will go ahead and toast it. And the bagel option, what that does is it turns off the center elements here. Okay, so that way you can get just the inside of the bagel toasted. So if you put the bagel cut with the cut side facing out, it'll be toasted there, and of course the same on the other side facing that way, and that way you have a perfectly toasted bagel. There's a cord wrap right here on the bottom for when you're not using it. The toaster uses only 700 watts, and it also has a removable crumb tray over here that can come out, and then you can shake out the crumbs. And there you can see the toaster on inside. It has all of its wires in there, and if you were to press the bagel button, you'll notice the center elements go out like I described. When you want to cancel, you just press that and it shuts off. Comes with an instruction manual, of course, that explains all of its features and functions, written in nice plain English. And now let's toast some bread. So I have some bread in there, and we'll just push the lever down. I already have the dial set where I want, and we'll just let that toast. And there we are, perfectly toasted bread, ready to go. Also, I should mention that if for some reason you can't reach your bread, this has what's called a high lift handle, where you can push it up, and that'll give you just a little bit extra reach on the bread there, just by doing that. So once again, this was the VersionTech CT-835 2-slice toaster. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.